Okay, welcome back to the shop tonight. Before we really get into the evening, we got a little bit of a 911 issue. Uh, this bench that the top that we stained on live, it needs to be stripped and restained because I should have caught this, but they must have had the color mislabeled because that is not what was on the sample. So we're going to strip that and then we're going to find a match for it. So show you how we do that. Okay, so as you can see from that time lapse, that once the finish comes off, we did take off quite a bit of the stain with the lacquer thinner. And here is the picture. So that's that second one over from my thumb on the bottom row is the color that they picked. It's still not there, so we have to sand the rest away to get that out. So we will go back to that. Okay, so that turned out to be more of an ordeal than anticipated, partly because I was using lacquer thinner instead of mineral spirits. But we are as good as we're going to get on this. We're going to go ahead and start trying to find a stain that gets close to what they wanted, because the stain that I ordered didn't match the sample. So I'm not sure if that's a quality control issue or if the sample was labeled wrong, but we're gonna look over here and see what we can come up with. So first one on the list is Minwax Special Walnut. We're gonna try that. I think all the other ones are in the back of my truck, actually, to be honest. We've got Early American. Let's see what else do we have. We'll just do those two for now, and one of those should get us pretty close. So. Okay, so what we're aiming for here is that right there. Looking up against there. That's close, not quite. That one's a little dark. Tuesday night. Not exactly the way I wanted Tuesday night to go, because we're supposed to be doing final touch-ups on this, and I still need to pick a stain because something went wrong. Somebody either labeled something wrong, or well, somebody did label something wrong, because this right here, like a light walnut-ish color, is what the customer ordered, and that's, you can see on the back there, OCS 110, and that's what I ordered, was that exact stain. You can see it right here on this can. OCS 110. Somebody sucks at their job. There we go. Whoever labeled the sample, or whoever labeled the can of stain. Something's wrong. So I stripped it down with lacquer thinner to take off the lacquer that we put on top. Cleaned it up as best as I can. I'm going to try and see if I can get a stain to get close to that sample piece. That right there. So I do have this one here, is pretty close, I think. I mean, to me, that's close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. So that's going to be as good as it gets. So I think I've got a stain picked out. I'm going to go ahead and film the rest of this on the YouTube live, and I'll just download it and crop it and splice it in here. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this stain picked out and put on here, and try to catch up with you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so I'm going to line. All right. Okay. Number 3. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this camera down here where we can get a good look at this here. Okay, so it's getting there. I think what I'm gonna do is end up putting a second coat on.